can you find the mistake before everyone else? So in the question 5 minus 1 bracket 1 minus 5, most of you guys solve it like this. 5 minus 1 equals to 4. Then you solve the bracket minus 4. And most of you guys got the answer minus 16. But this is wrong, because according to the order of operations, PEMDAS rule, we solve from left to right. P stands for parenthesis, E for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. So this is the right method to solve this question, this type of question. 5 minus 1 bracket 1 minus 5. This is how you guys will solve it. First you will solve the brackets and the answer comes from the minus 1. Then after that you will solve the multiplication part to 5 minus 1. The answer that you guys got would be minus 4, and minus equals to plus. So 5 plus 4, and the answer you guys will get will be 9. This is the right answer. 9 is the right answer.